Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be looking at RankEzy. Just before we start, this is an honest review video, not a sales or hype video. So I will be looking at the sales page for the product and giving you my honest opinion of the product overall. We want to look at what it is, what you're going to get, what you can expect from it, and ultimately just try to give you some information to help you figure out if this is the right product for you. There will be a link to the sales page in the description. If you purchase the product through my link, I will receive a commission, which I super appreciate if it's a product that you think is good. However, my goal is to give you the information you need to make up your mind on the product. So, RankEzy claims to be the world's #1 most powerful backlink creator platform. Now, I don't honestly know how many backlink creator platforms there are. I suspect a lot of them are very similar. I do not have the time to track all of them down and compare them. So we're not going to check out the most powerful claim, but we do want to look at what we can expect with this. So, unlimited high-quality backlinks for your blogs, website, etc., higher ranks. Obviously, if you know anything about search engine optimization, you know that getting traffic a lot of times is going to depend on how high you show up on a Google or a Yahoo or a Bing or a DuckDuckGo search, whatever platform somebody uses for their search engine. You can have the most amazing product, the most amazing website, and literally no one will ever see it. So a lot has to do with backlinks. Backlinks simply means that another website someplace is registering your link. And so the way that it works is that with, for instance, Google, when someone Googles something, especially a website, it's not simply looking to see if your website matches the search criteria, but it's going to look and see how many places links from your website or tied to your website are registering. Because presumably if people are linking to your website or your articles or your posts or whatever it is, presumably your content is at the very least more popular, and presumably, and I think this is a bit fraudulent thinking, but presumably also it's of higher quality. Now, the quality thing obviously not so much, but it is a strong indication of popularity. So we want to look at this now. I'll be honest, the sales page, this is one case where the step 1 and step 2 legit is pretty honest, and my favorite thing about this page is going to be the actual demo of the product down below. Unfortunately, I think this is an unnecessarily massive sales page. So a lot of people, like if I was to look at this, if I were just to see a link to this sales page and I didn't know any better, I would honestly be done with it by the time I got about halfway down. Because right now we're about a fifth of the way through the sales page and it's just so much hype. For me, I want to see not just some claims, but what does it actually do? This is just showing us business opportunities, things that people do as a business on Fiverr or other freelance sites where they're selling their services to improve someone's SEO by creating backlinks for them. And again, what we finally want, we're all the way down here before we even get a proper picture, proper graphic to go with the product. The demo here is definitely worth watching. I'll be honest, and I say this a lot about software products. The demo for me was what made me say, yes, I will recommend this product. Because we see all kinds of products that claim that they're going to give you high rankings, that they'll help with your SEO. And again, there may be 4 dozen products that are exactly the same as this one that are just rebranded. But this one actually shows you how the product works. It's only about 2 minutes and 52 seconds. It doesn't take long at all. So check out that video It really is just you put in the website and it shows you, I'd say the process. It doesn't show you the process. It shows what it does in terms of linking your, basically it puts a copy of your link up in various other places and thus increases your search engine results. That's ultimately, as far as I know, as far as I'm concerned, most of what you need to know about this product. You're going to get training. You don't need prior experience. It's super simple. And what we want to look at now is just down at the bottom here, we should see some bonuses that are available to you. So you're going to get Logo Jam. So this is in addition to RankEzy. Logo Jam, so you can create logos and icons. Design a Jam to help you create images and vector graphics. 100 plus service pitching emails. So again, this is all geared at helping you set up a commission type or a freelance type business doing SEO, logos, graphics, an 81% discount on all upgrades. That's a very good bonus. There are going to be some upgrades on this. I'm not going to spend much time looking at those in this video, but we will discuss them briefly. And the unlimited commercial license. And what that means is that you can use this not just for yourself, but for other people as well. Okay. Let's just see, let's jump over here and look at the funnel. So the front end on this is going to be $17, which I think for what it does is not a bad price at all. We do have a pro version here with reseller rights. I'm not sure. Typically with a product like this, you'll have a certain number of campaigns that you can run for free, and then anything beyond that is going to cost extra. So I don't know exactly, but we do have a pro, we have an agency, we have a platinum, white label. You're going to have to check these out to get all of the details. Again, I don't know. The front end is going to have some limitations set on it. So if you're looking to do this as a business, be prepared. The front end was not going to do it for you. If you want to do this as a business, you're going to be looking at probably the RankEzy Pro or the agency at least. That said, if your anticipation, and again, market research is on you guys. Okay, I don't run every single type of business that we review on here. So if you're going to run a freelance business like that, you need to be aware of the competition that's out there. You need to be aware of the difficulties in getting started. You need to be aware of what you can honestly expect to charge. But at that point, you're able to at least look at the prices here and decide whether or not, I mean, 17, let's say you buy up to the white label. Maybe you just go and buy the bundle. I don't know. But be prepared to spend, up to $100 or $200, depending on how many upgrades you want to get to this. Or go in, check out the front end for $17, and there is going to be, I believe we have a money back guarantee on this. There we go. So 30-day money back guarantee. Most of the time, even though they're sold as one-time offers, typically if you buy the front end and nothing else to start with, almost always you can unlock the other stuff. I've personally never seen a case where you can't, but so you might want to just check out the front end for $17, and if you don't think it's worth it, then you can get your money back. If you think it's worth going on and you think it's got some business opportunities to it, then you can do that. If you're just making a few links for yourself, I think you're probably going to be good with the $17 version. Okay, but you do get a lot with this, and I think that if backlink creation is something that is valuable to you, if you want to be able to create backlinks, improve your own SEO results, RankEzy I think looks like a pretty solid product. Easy to use, it's fast, and it comes with some other functionality as well. So again, the big thing, if you look at the sales page, to look at is check out the demo video. It is a fast demo video. You might end up slowing it down so you can catch everything, but that is the most worthwhile part of this entire sales page. So check out the page, check out the links. If you do decide to buy this, I'd love if you bought it through my links, but I hope that that is a helpful review for you guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and hope to see you back here again soon.